Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a little something different. We're going to be doing something I got actually a while back from Para Bellum games. You know, I'd stopped playing Conquest, Last Argument of Kings, and the skirmish version First Blood, and sold all my miniatures. Para Bellum still sent me the Inquisitors, which are from the city-states. This is their card that they get to activate. And these are three medium-sized brutes, I guess. And what we're going to do today, we're going to assemble one of them, show you guys. This is the second one, and then there's the third one. So we're just going to assemble the first one here.